just wanted to pop on and say a huge thank you to Ed and to Dave. I've been contemplating things the last couple of days. I did a huge walk for charity on Saturday for Macmillan, and I walked 26 miles across, the Seven Sisters. Oh, they were horrible. I don't know what I want to call those right now. And Beachy Head, and gave me time to just think and reflect on my journey over the last, since September when I joined COA. And at that point, I was I was doing well, business was going great, but I was very much embedded in working in the business, not working on the business. And I was like, how do I move this on? And I joined COA, and I got the benefit of the support from Ava and from Ed and from Dave and all of you and all the wonderful other people who are in the program, because that's, amazing as well, all the answers on the questions in the Facebook group and everything. And I started implementing the philosophy. I wouldn't say I followed it to the letter. I wouldn't say I implemented every automation or anything, but I definitely have implemented the philosophy behind COA. And I find myself in quite a different place now. And it's amazing. I just want to say thank you so much. I feel lighter, liberated. I feel wealthier, that's for sure. We now gradually see, at least 10K every month coming in to our account from clients signing up, but we also see a regular amount of money coming in from clients who are doing more things with us. So they do the program, or they do an event, and then they do other things. So, we create these relationships with people through the program that are very sticky, and they do lots of other things with us. And I've noticed that actually this month, June, we've already achieved 20K. So we've already doubled our previous months taken. So we did that in January as well. And I can foresee that in August and September and October. Already just looking at the pipeline of what's coming through, and people who have already had chats and are already booking in for things and already starting to make that happen. So it's just been life-changing. And it's not just life-changing for me, but life-changing for my team, but also life-changing for all the people who are taking part in the program, because I was holding them back by not letting them do it, really. Previously, I now realise. And I get letters through the post from people who've done the program saying, thank you, it's changed my life. And I get emails spontaneously, and it's just, it's lovely. And you've just changed my life. And now I have time to think. I have time to do things for charity. And I've done another charity program, which launched on the 1st of June with a group of homeless people, which again was just amazing. And I would never have had the time to do that prior to joining COA. So just huge thank you. And I'm just glad to be part of the family. And I just wanted to, just take a moment to just reflect on that and say thank you.